So hey guys, in this video I am going to give you a simple 2-line Chatgpt prompt, but is very effective for coders. It will help you write better and clean code and not get laid off by your company, so let's get started. As you can see, I have this very messy code which generates a random string, but if you have seen the code only, I am sure even you wouldn't be able to tell what it does. So let's change this messy code to a clean code like it was written by a god himself. Now this is the simple 2-line prompt I am talking about. As you can see, it is not much long prompt but is very effective and can even save your job. And also, if you want to explain why you did this in your pull request, you can add the last line in your prompt too. Now let's check it. Copy the prompt and then paste it on ChatGPT, and then copy the code, also paste it there. And as you can see, it is refactoring your code and make it meaningful. As you see on the code, it is making the function and variable name meaningful, and it is also refactoring your code and make it less and more understandable. Now let's see if the refactored code works or not. Now as you can see on the code, now we can understand what this code does without even running the code. And as you can see, this code works just fine like it was working before with less lines of code, and it is also clean. So friends, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.